Hey, Robin Trente here with Tamron Honda's Internet Department. Thank you so much for your recent online interest. One of my very last 2018 Honda Pilots. I'm sure you have seen all the advertising going on this weekend. It's a big deal. Honda's pumping out a lot of incentives to help us move these products, especially our 18s. We are down to 3 18 Pilots left. We sold 2 yesterday. We're in the office today on Sunday, so our consumers can take advantage of these extra savings. The sale goes on to the end of business tomorrow. You gotta give me a call today, 205-504-2358, and I'll make you this promise, Robin. When you make it into Tamron Honda, you're gonna love the way you're treated.